Hello, so today I'm gonna be doing the video with Lily.
Hi!
My camera just turned.
You probably know me because we both have a TikTok together, and of course I have my own YouTube.
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah. Alright. Yeah.
Let's get into it.
Oh, okay. Well, grab
Yeah.
I'm red, I wanna kiss you.
What is the ropes? You have a mic, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the sound effect of the rope sound like in beat? Make a sound effect. Okay, thank you.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so Ask you a question. Wait. Should you ask you
What sound does the water balloons make when you hit them on the ground? Make a sound effect.
Pew.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Pew. Pew.
Make a sound effect of the glass.
Of a glass?
If you want.
Oh my gosh. Black, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Black.
I have a question to ask you. It's a sound effect.
Get away from me, you raccoon.
Here we go. That's all, guys. There's some good sound effects, but some really weird ones. Anyways, bye.